Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. We're still in an indecisive stage of the market. We don't know whether this is going to be a market reversal or just a pullback and a downtrend. Today, the Dow traded higher after yesterday's bullish harami in the oversold area, but failed at the 50-day moving average. We still need to see kind of a breakout of this congestion area like we saw over here. Same thing over here on the NASDAQ. Even though it traded positive today, just like the S&P 500, it did an indecisive trading day. So it still needs more conviction. So this might just be a bounce back up. So at this point, you really can't get a firm grasp on where the trend should be going. So with a doji, the doji rule kicks in. It's probably going to move in the direction of how they open after a doji. So that will make the pre-market futures a very good indication of which way they're going to take the market tomorrow. Now, this puts you in a situation where the bullish charts that we've recommended are still working well. APLS still in this fry pan bottom with gap ups. Still has the prospect of coming back up and testing the 200-day moving average. Apple also has reversed, staying above the T-line, and notice how it even used the T-line as support today. That's a good, strong indication that they're more than likely keeping the bulls in control. Carvana, one that everybody's been following, notice how it did a bounce off the 50 up through the T-line. It could bring you back up into this range or possibly even in this range. So this one you could buy, use the T-line as your stop. And the ones that have strong downtrends, like Upstart, you can see how the trend is still down. Even though you're in the oversold area, they have not been able to get back up above the T-line. So the conclusion should be the bears are still in control. But that same type of chart, as we see in Rolex, you can see how things are starting to build up, lots of indecision. This has much greater prospects of changing of probabilities that your downtrend is over. If you were short, you start taking profits and go find a better probability trade. And better probability trades are based upon strong sell signals with continued selling. Snow can still be shorted if it opens weaker tomorrow, continuing this downtrend. Same scenario on Z-Lab. This is where you can put the visual analysis of strong or weak chart patterns, such as a bearish J-hook pattern. You could short Z-Lab on weakness tomorrow, giving you a wave 1, wave 2, going into wave 3. Remember, everything built into a candlestick chart is just common sense put into a graphic depiction. So before the end of the summer, try to use this for 2 weeks, because the logic of candlestick analysis is so strong that it overrides all your talking head experts that give projections on where specific stocks are likely to move. The charts are telling you what is actually happening in investor sentiment right now. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.